Hey, how you doing, guys?
What's up, guys?
Welcome to our channel, Speak Tactics. Today is another day that we're looking for another vehicle for our channel. Hey, my son and I were heading to this dealership. We're in the hunt for a new vehicle for our channel. Obviously, it's not this one. We already acquired another vehicle that will be in another video. We're going to be talking about it hopefully when we get it here.
It's gonna be soon.
Yeah, it's going to be soon. Hopefully. And we're going to be doing some modification to that vehicle, and that's going to be a lot of modifications that we're going to be doing to that vehicle. Now, today we're heading to this dealership. Please comment down below what we should get. My son is going to be doing some videos of what we see, and we'll take it from there. It's not going to be the only dealer that we're going to be going to get and see. We already went to another one, but I don't think we're doing those models that we saw there, any of those. So anyway, today we're going to this dealer. Please comment down below and tell us what type of vehicles you guys like and what we should get for our channel. I really want like a supercar, so my son, he has another ideas, but let's see what we get out of all this.
Let us know.
Yeah, let us know, and we're gonna be seeing those comments, and we're gonna be commenting on those comments too. Okay, so stay tuned.
Okay, guys, this is the first dealership we're gonna enter, and now we're here in the McLaren dealership. Look at all these cars. Oh, there's a Senna hiding over there. Look at the Senna. Wow, this is really crazy. This is really cool. Look at the Mercedes.
I know somebody called me, had an appointment for today between 2 and 3.
Okay.
Last night basket.
This is really cool. Speed tail. Wow. Ooh, look at the wheels. That color is really nice. 765. We got a Senna right here. Richard Mille. Okay. Oh, this is a GTR.
The track version.
Yep, track version
So
of the Senna.
that's a road version, that's a road version. The two back there are also track versions. But those are
Wow, look
GTR
at this.
LMs. They're really
Look at the wheels. Oh my god.
Yeah.
P1
Yep.
over here.
Wow, never seen one of these before.
Yeah, we have a toy shop here for sure.
Look at the interior. Oh, this is actually crazy.
Mostly either 570. Okay.
This is actually really crazy. One of my dream McLarens right here, the P1. We got another Senna LM edition right here. LM edition, another speed tail. We got another Senna over here. Wow. Look at the fitment. The fitment is crazy. Look at that. Wow. We got another one right here.
Well, that's
24 hours of Le Mans. Wow. GTR. Look at the interior. Wow. So this car is really for track use only. Track use only. Right here, Senna GTM, LM. There we go. Look at the corners. Wow, amazing. Look at that. Look at those wheels, those calipers. Oh my God. Wow. Let's see the rear. I want to see the rear. Wow, the exhaust. Oh my God, this is actually crazy. Look at that exhaust. Amazing. So guys, this is the next option right here. Hey, say hi. This is the next option right here. The new Nissan Z Nismo. It looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. It looks really good. I'm not a big fan of the exhaust, but I mean, you can get like an aftermarket exhaust and like change that. I do like the wheels. Forged wheels. Yeah.
So guys, what do you think? 570, 720, or Nismo Z?
Let us know. I really like the front bumper.
I do like this.
Yeah, that's really nice.
That's really nice.
That's really nice. Look at the rear quarter panel. Yep. 4 piston calipers. Wow, look at the tires. Oh, the rear. With the LED lights, tail lights. Yeah, it's really nice. Look at that. The LED lights, amazing.
That's nice.
That's awesome. It looks amazing. Look at the front. It has an insane markup, but I mean, that is what it is. Alcantara right here with the C logo here. Nismo carpets. No, never.
Neither one of you?
This is the interior. I do not like that though. To recline the seat is manual.
What was that?
Right here. I don't like that. But the seats itself are really comfy and really good looking. But yeah, I don't like the manual reclining. Yeah, I don't like that. No, not a big fan of it.
But it's mostly.
But the exterior, the body of the car, amazing. I love it. That's the engine bay. V6.
Heavy.
3.0 liters. There you go.
should have gone with a fiberglass.
Really good looking car.
No, the way.
Interior wise, could be better, in my opinion. I like the gauges though. You can see them right here. The seats are really nice too. Nismo, it says Nismo right here. I like this. It lights up. Yeah. So what do you guys think? Let us know.